Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good Friday evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here as we take a look at our next weather events that's going to impact your area. A couple of showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder this evening, all thanks to deep tropical moisture coming from that tropical disturbance Invest 93, which is well inland over Louisiana. That'll help to keep it humid and hot this weekend, as well as some more scattered storms, although coverage of rain lower today and highs back in the 90s. Then a dangerous heat wave on tap for next week. We're talking really Monday, more so Tuesday, Wednesday. Highs will be in the middle 90s. The heat index 105 to 110 degrees with not a lot of rain. The rest of the evening, you'll see the chance of rain decreasing there by 9 o'clock. Then afterwards, kind of partly to mostly cloudy and muggy. Lows will be down the middle 70s tonight, so not much of a cool down. The AC be running all night long. You can see lower 70s off to the east and north, but 76 here, 75 Tuscaloosa, Alabaster 73, Gadsden, Anniston, Asheville, Oxford area, Daga, Lincoln, all of you around 72. Same for you in Jasper. Highs tomorrow, most of us in the lower 90s, some of you the middle 90s, depending on how much rain you see out there. So get ready for a hot one. Heat index tomorrow still going to get anywhere from about 96 to 105 across the area, maybe up to 106 up in the Gadsden area, again, if you don't see the rain. 91 our high Saturday, 92 Sunday with those scattered storms on tap for us both days, so be prepared for some wetter weather, but again, it won't be a washout. Chance of rain stays around 40% Monday, but goes down Tuesday through Friday, and that's when that heat wave is expected to build across the area. Looking at future cast here through the rest of the evening, most of that rain tapering off there by 11 o'clock. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, maybe a sprinkle or two tomorrow morning. You'll see a lot of the rain tomorrow along and north of I-20 from lunchtime heading to the afternoon hour. South of I-20, not a lot of rain expected, so look for those hotter temperatures out there. By 6 o'clock, we're looking at still some showers from Hamilton back to Hartselle-Coleman area. And as we go to Sunday morning, not looking too bad for church, but as we head to the afternoon, some scattered storms popping up again. Hit or miss Friday, not all of you dealing with that wet weather, which will taper off once that sun sets on Sunday night. Going down to the beach, well, look at that chance of rain, not bad, around 50% on Saturday, 30% Sunday into Monday. High temperatures around 90 each day, so looking better than it was earlier this week with the rip current risk going back down. Then a weather pattern changes drastically here as that high pressure sits in the central Gulf and lifts its way to the north here across the southeast and kind of lingers from Wednesday through Friday. We're going to be dealing with fewer thunderstorms out there. Still some possible. They could be strong ones with some downpours and strong winds, but we'll have highs in the middle 90s and feel like temperatures 105 to 110 degrees. So look for the heat to continue next week with that high heat index value each day. High temperatures in the middle 90s and not cooling down much at night, as you'll see those temperatures will only be around the 70s during the evening hours, so definitely going to be quite muggy. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.